Our students, good afternoon. I'm here to talk about the word bucolic. Okay, bucolic. Bucolic means rustic, of the countryside, rural. We looked for a bucolic place to have our picnic. So bucolic talks about the pleasant aspects of the countryside, people's ideal of the country, sun, flowers, birds singing, chickens, but none of the less pleasant ones. The word bucolic comes from Greek, bucolikos, meaning rustic or related to cow herders. And I think it's a word that the Greek poets used to use to talk about the beauty and wonder of the countryside. But it only focuses on the good things. Yeah? You've all seen these bucolic photos of the countryside portrayed in postcards. The bucolic world of a small village. But such bucolic scenes are only real in the minds of town folk. Yeah? They don't think about any of the nastier sides of the country. When it's pouring with rain and there's mud in your shoes and there's a terrible smell of cow manure and the fox is killing the chickens, okay, that's not bucolic. Bucolic is this wonderful green, sunny view of the countryside and how everything is natural and perfect. The bucolic silence of the countryside. Rubbish. The countryside is full of farmers with big machines making huge amounts of noise because they need to get their work done. Yeah? So, bucolic. An ideal rustic scene. Yeah, the poem goes into bucolic raptures about the wonders and beauty of being in the country, being in nature. Notice as well, you can use the word a bucolic to refer to a country person, a peasant, a cow herder, somebody working the land. Okay, so these are ideal images of a beautiful countryside, but none of the other side of the thing. And yes, these bucolic views and bucolic things, they have their real side, but they're counterbalanced with something else. So notice, bucolic is an adjective. I think it's really quite literary and sounds a bit formal. I'd probably give it something like 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in a conversation in the pub. Rustic, rural, of the countryside in the pub. Use bucolic in something semi-formal or something very formal. Use it in a descriptive essay. As they drove out of the city, they began to see bucolic scenes of green fields and cow herders looking after their cows, the milkmaid taking the cows to milk. Okay, so bucolic, wonderful, lovely countryside. Okay. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Well, I'll see you next time you comes down here to the countryside to our wonderful bucolic world.